see our friends Martin and Nellie. We have not seen them in a couple years, but we're going to be spending Christmas with them. We spent Christmas with them, was it 3 years ago now, I think?
I think so.
Yeah.
Outside of Pensacola, Black Bay, that really cool free parking camping area.
Yeah, so they live in a van as well, and they are from Nova Scotia, originally from the Netherlands, and they're the ones that had that bed and breakfast and sold it, and now they're in a van traveling, and they finally were able to come to the States because the border's been closed, so we're pretty excited we get to see them again.
It's always good eating.
Oh yes, so they messaged, we were getting groceries, they're getting groceries, and they want to know if we want to have I want to say wienerschnitzel tonight. And we're just discussing, we don't really know what that is, and in my head it's like chicken fried steak-ish but with burger. Like I don't
know, it's funny, I've heard of wienerschnitzel, I've heard of it forever, I've just never had it. I'm sure if I see it I'm gonna go, oh yeah, I've seen that before, but I can't picture what it is.
I feel like it's like a fried something meat with sauce on it.
Are we the only ones that haven't known what this is?
I don't know.
Let us know.
I don't know. We're gonna find out soon what wienerschnitzel is, so we'll let you know. We are with Nellie, and Martin is.
Hello.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Babe, come over here. She's gonna start the. Do I want to say wienerschnitzel?
Wienerschnitzel.
I did that pretty good,
Yes.
right? You got to tell her what you thought wienerschnitzel was.
No, really, I don't know.
Oh,
Did
really?
they Google it? I'm sure it's.
No.
I'm sure it's got some wieners and some schnitzels.
He
There's no wieners in it.
kind of
wieners?
thought it was like a deep fried wiener. And I thought it was more like chicken fried steak, but with hamburger. But it's not. This looks like pork.
That's
Is this
pork.
pork?
Pork, yeah.
Okay, but it is pounded like a chicken fried steak, kind of.
Yes.
Like you pound it, and
I'm
then
gonna pound it.
do you
yes.
bread it and fry it? Is that what
And
it
then
is?
I bread it and I fry. Yeah, I bake it. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
And then is there a sauce? I feel like there's sauce involved.
No, there's no sauce involved. The nicest is with just some lemon slices.
Oh.
And
With
that's
some lemon juice on it. That's really
And this is traditional wienerschnitzel.
it's traditional Wiener Schnitzel. It was taught to us by a German guy who stayed in our B&B. So at one point he wanted to cook for us as a thank you for something. And we said, well, we want to know how to make a Wiener Schnitzel. So he went to the store, he bought pork loin chops, the butterfly, and he just started killing the meat again with this hammer, and it was wonderful. So that's how I make it now.
We're gonna try it. All right, I'm excited.
So
You gotta get medieval on it.
well, usually Martin takes over at one point.
Okay.
He's stronger than I am.
We've got, the meat has been tenderized.
Yes.
We're just doing a flour.
I need a rest now.
Yeah, that was hard work. And we do the egg wash. Oh, you're good.
Yeah, well, no, this is the dirty part.
Yeah, it is. That's okay. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. It smells like a carnival around here.
We should make beignets.
Ooh, we should!
Elephant ears for dessert. Oh, amazing. Yeah.
We're pairing our wienerschnitzel with a spinach arugula salad with goat cheese, pickled beets, and homemade candied pecans.
And I'm using balsamic aged for
Yes.
dressing.
Tell me how to do this.
Make sure that there's some of the lemon juice on the batter, on the meat.
Okay.
Gives it a really
Gives a nice kick.
yeah
Okay.
good taste.
Kick it up, babe.
You have plenty of.
Oh yeah.
That's how they do it in Austria.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Dig in.
Yeah.
Smells like wienerschnitzel.
Does it? Not knowing what that was 2 hours ago.
Oh, that's good.
It's simple, but yeah.
But the panko cooked in oil like that, to me, it's like, that's how I do deep fry fish, like fish and chips.
Yeah.
So it's like, I keep getting the texture of fish and chips, but it's tender pork instead. So it's very good.
I'm just gonna squeeze it. I only have one hand. Get it on the batter. Here we go. That was very yummy.
Simple.
I wouldn't have
Simple.
thought with the lemon. That threw me for a loop. I thought
Yep.
there'd be some sort of gravy or something on that.
No.
No.
That's
But-
American.
Yeah,
Okay. That's the American coming out in
I
me.
think so.
Okay.
Have gravy
Put
on
some
it.
gravy on it.
It'll be good with gravy.
All right. That was a delicious meal with awesome friends, and we're so grateful we got to spend Christmas with them again.
Yes, that's one of the things about being a nomad is you're traveling around a lot, and sometimes you're away for the holidays from family and friends, and I think it really kind of I don't know, it made me feel real good that we have friends in so many places that no matter where we are at certain times of the year, it seems like we always have friends to meet up with. So
Yeah.
it's I miss our family, our good friends, but I don't know, we just have friends everywhere.
Yeah.
It was nice to have them for Christmas. so.
Yeah, we haven't seen them in an awful long time.
I can tell you, it was after last Christmas we spent back in Oregon, where it's a typical cold weather. They have snow there now, but it didn't feel a lot like Christmas. On Christmas Eve, it was 75 degrees. I went for a run. It was hot.
Yeah,
Christmas Day,
That's
it's 75 degrees.
different. in your
Definitely
mind.
felt strange, but
We had a lot of fun over Christmas. We didn't film Christmas Day, but Nellie and I made Gingerbread House Village. As you can see, it turned out spectacular. There were some structural issues, but
hers looked like the gingerbread house of mystery.
yeah, I just said
Vortex.
it was like it's on a vortex, so it's a little crooked. But we had a great time. Cooked some steaks, had some scalloped potatoes, and some amazing Dutch apple pie that Nellie made. Now they have an Omni oven, and she made this pie in that oven. Turned out fantastic.
Yeah, they're just experimenting with it. It's a whole new way of. I mean, there's no thermostat in it or anything, so it's a lot of guessing and
Set it and forget it. And
yeah, and
Take a peek.
yeah, it's interesting though. It was good.
Yeah, it cooked everything we cooked in it. Turned out well. So
Yeah, and for dinner, we cooked 2-inch ribeye steaks in the camp oven.
yeah. I don't
And
have a picture of that.
we
We
did- I'm
just
sorry.
cooked them and ate them. It's so good.
Yeah, sometimes we just don't get the camera out. It's just
You know what? And especially with other people, I just like to enjoy their company. So
Yes.
that's
but we cooked them in the camp oven until they got up to about 120, I think, and then I had my little flat pack grill up with some hardwood briquettes in there, and then we seared it and finished it on the barbecue,
yeah,
and it was pretty much
delicious.
amazing.
What did you guys have for your meal? Anything good? I bet.
How did your gingerbread house taste?
Not good. It was not tasty. I mean, I didn't bake it, so it was
Yeah.
just like a kit.
Yeah,
It was not delicious.
It was like a puzzle that you just kind of put together and throw away.
Yeah.
If you don't want to keep it.
It was not good. I wanted to show you one other thing that our friend and Pistol's friend Vicky Lane sent. She sent a whole package with all kinds of things for our van to make our van life easier. Some really fun stuff in there, but there's one thing I really wanted to show you guys. She made Pistol this quilt. So the center, the middle is a friendship square, and these blocks are the Oregon quilt block, and then she did the blue for the ocean and sky. And then the reverse side. Are you ready? Green beans. Can you tell those are green beans?
Wonder what that's about.
Oh my gosh. We about died when we saw this. This is just so much care and thought went into this and the other gifts, and I just wanted to say thank you to Vicky Lane. We've developed a friendship through the channel, and again, that's another bonus I think we've talked about before, is we had no idea that, you know, when we started this, that's where that would lead to having so many amazing people everywhere. But just a huge thanks to Vicky, and appreciate the thoughtfulness. And Pistol appreciates being cozy in her green bean quilt. So I think next time you see us, we might be in the Sanibel Island area. I don't know. Might be a kayak involved. You're just gonna have to wait and see.
We'll have to wait and see.
See you down the road.
Carry on.
Carry on.